Face TV Woswobi.
ẹ̀yin ẹgbẹ́ PFC olólùfẹ́ Paso Wonder fọwọ́ nẹ́bà tó everyone nínú ọ̀gá ńlá family Paso Wonder onírèlẹ̀ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ onímọ̀ṣẹ́. kí ló ní ká má máa ṣe o. ká má ṣe jà ká má dalẹ̀ ká má ṣọ̀tẹ̀. Paso náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé o. orí Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. Paso náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró wám. orí Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. dádì àmọ́ mi tó dúró brother sister tó ń list yo. orí Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. Let them know my words, let them know my way. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ wọ́n o. Let them know my words, let them know my way. Pé ìjọba àtàn pé mi ò kì í ṣe tàbẹ̀nu jẹ́. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé mo tọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, everybody ṣe gbà o. Pé gbà tó gbà, iṣẹ́ àtọ́kùn mi ìyẹn àbí. Kọ̀ǹkọ̀ tó kọ̀ǹkọ̀ o, iṣẹ́ àtọ́kùn odò o. Orin Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. orin Paso náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. ẹjọ́ wọn kí n dẹ́ sáíkù kéékèèké òun Alábẹ́. wọn ò ṣe rí o bàbá wa Síláàjì Jíbọ́lá. wọn ò dẹ́ níṣẹ́ o Paso Wonder kẹjọ yan. wọn ò dẹ́ sáíkù kéékèèké rí o odò ìyàlẹ̀ mi máa ń pa o. eléré ńlá lọ̀gá ńlá ẹ o agbóńlá rẹ ti máa bá mi o. orin gidi ní Paso ń kọ o àwùjọ àwọn èèyàn ńlá o. Paso náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró wá. orin Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. Alórin Paso náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé o. orin Alábí náà fẹ́ gbọ́ everybody ṣe dúró dédé. I give thanks to Allah. I give thanks to Allah. We make me the matter that arise every corner. Talk of Fuji music today. That is making waves every day. All over Africa and beyond. People know me everywhere.
My father is my mentor, so he's the one who gave me the privilege, the opportunity to step into this. So anything can happen. So
we're actually here because of CEO Rocky's Entertainment. Before I go deeply into my own performance, can we please a round of applause for CEO Entertainment Rocky's? You know me. Before I start my own performance, I would just want to let everybody know.
Wasn't this for our team, man?
So that deal. You know, say that the talk say now Miss Tran is at this slap, my brother. Now only soldier man go slap, you know go reflect that moment. Now 1 hour, I go to yes. Igbo is good. Check your brain. Can you smoke Igbo? When I first entered Shrine in my life, the guy just entered come. Ọmọ ìyá mi, kò ní báyìí má bínú, jọ̀wọ́ ìbò ní reception wa ń bẹ lọ́ọ̀jì. I take up beg you. DJ, you get this song, Barry J. Aye. The guy fall my hand. Anybody wey nobody dey, go tell am, play that song. You no get am? Why don't we get her now? The guy fall my hand. Barry J wetin dem call am? Aye wo. Listen. Dey hear o. If it makes sense for you, the year. The year. Listen now. What if be nothing they come, nothing we carry to? What about those people who get travel man? If they die, they don't take and go. No, look at Jigon. Look at Jigon. They're not gonna like that. If he die, you carry and go. No, it's a comedy but real. No, Jigon, they're not gonna like that. Sorry, my brother.
Then go and ban me. Oh my block. Oh my block, father.
I'm telling you, not they compare Oyibo in anything wey Oyibo do for this world. Oyibo na perfect. Na only Oyibo go smoke with cigarette, he go wan become smoker. Alpha, calm down. Na only Oyibo go just chat, hey bro, hey calm down, hey bro. Scan cigarette, cigarette. Very easy, simple communication, man. Cha, yo bro, relax off me. Yeah. I'm not a smoker. I just want to try. If Oyibo dey for there, Oyibo get the guy want eye the girl. Now eye contact with cigarette. Eye. Oyibo we want small. The girl don't gree. Right? When the girl won't go meet the guy, the way Oyibo will take catwalk on that same song, you know. Right? Come down to India. If any Indian man want to snack right, nay. After this conversation, this following, alright? Alright? Come down to that Asian day. That time, love is hard. If they want to spell me, I want that 3. Trophy 1, 3, 3, 2, there is no lunch, there is no club. Look the music, look the reaction. You know.
Ìyá Kàfáyá, ògbó ṣe é ṣe, ìyẹn yẹn wá ìwé rẹ̀. Má tẹ̀ sókè díẹ̀, orí agunmọ́ mi látẹ̀yìn.
Right? Come down to Mushin, Akala, Idioro. If any Mushin guy is smoking your presence, you fear hellfire.
Bàbá ìyá, owó ṣe é ṣe yàrá ìyá, bá mú tọ́kù ẹ̀. Ṣé kò sì jẹ́ ìdí bẹ́ẹ̀ o?
Before the girl come, my brother, if any Mushin guy smoke,
Right?
after the guy don smoke Igbo finish, imagine how you want to do any eye contact. You know.
Bàbá ìyá.
Right? If I do comedy for you, if you don't laugh, you get family problem.
Look here, African person do comedy for you, you know laugh. I know you have a permanent family problem. Look at that. Take out.
Right? Now today I go expose Adekunle Gold musically. Adekunle Gold. Shey make I talk. Adekunle Gold. Many people dey here, many celebrity. Didi dey here when you say you wan give me money. If you fall my hand, Ogun go kill you. Adekunle Gold. Shey make I talk. People, any Igbo wey dey here, Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. I know Igbo for here. Igbo kwenu. You talk. Na only Igbo film go watch with the soundtrack, you go know wetin go happen for next thing. If you dey at the backyard, once you have been play this thing to your own ear, you go know say dem wan start Igbo film. Aye. Right? I want to mention the actor and the actress. Jetuti. Ortega. Right? Let me start film proper. You know. Hey! Ortega! Ortega! Stand up. I get one baba we call him Odumodu. They can't kill you for industry. Stand up. Right?
show the shrine or herbalist, this Santa will indicate automatically the one going herbalist. You know. Right? Now see the reaction of the herbalist and the complainer. Oh, me, Toro, for what you left? No, me, go see me pay. Boyan ko yan o yan balance me. Nbe fa mo to ni yari. Right? Wetin come pay me for Igbo film? If I lie for this one, throw me bottle for head. If they want gossiping before they show anybody, this Santa will indicate they want to gossip. You know. Come on! I tell you, say, now today, Rocky Entertainment want to unveil it. I don't tell you. See, I don't tell you. Say, 5 artists. I told that did here. Playboy did here. Even that guy, when you say he's thinking, that celeb, he be there. He did here. The 2, I don't go remember the 2. Now 5, I'm gonna not remember. Right? For Yibo film, never clap. If anybody died for Yibo film, before they show anybody, this Santa will indicate one person don't die. You know. This guy will die around this one as well. Yeah. Right. Any Yoruba way dey here. If I lie, mo na throw me come out for year. If Kabiyesi wan go die for Yoruba film, na this soundtrack. When the 2 altars they have grudges, na this soundtrack. If I lie no cloud, you know. There was one particular man for Yoruba movie. This is the right incantation. Huh?
Good man. Ṣoṣẹ́ yìí. Ojú mi o. Dídì. Bọ́bù dáadáa. Wo kíkọ́ wó lẹ̀. Ó ń gbowó lédi. Gbọ́ mi wò. Nǹkan tó máa débẹ̀ láyé rẹ̀ ti máa fún ẹ lóko ló débẹ̀ láyé o. Ṣàmì rẹ̀ ṣe fún ẹ lówó ni. Kó ká ìpàdà sí burúkú wá gbowó lọ́wọ́ owó wà láwọ́ mi. Wo dídì. Wojú mi. Àwọn ìyá mi ní bìkan lọ́wọ́ rẹ o. Àwọn ìyá mi ní gbogbo. Ó ti gbó láyé rẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣàánú mi. Má disappoint mi. Dídì. Abojú mi jẹ́. Àbò ìyá mi ní bìkan lọ́wọ́ rẹ. Dídì. Kí ló ń jẹ́ àṣà?
Owó tó ra lè kọ́lé, anybody wey dey we no get papa again and mama wey be say na okada kill them. If you get mama, you collect this money na tomorrow okada go kill am.
Nobody happy.
You still get mama abi? You get mama? Okay, you get papa? Okay.
Your mama mi happy. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nu, àkọsápọ̀ ní gbogbo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is I. Clap now. Clap now. Encourage her now. We're Nigerian. See Nigerian. You don't do sit down. I'm in there. Sit down.
I was flabbergasted. Oh, you want to I should come now. Okay. I was totally astonished. You know what I mean? Ó ti pọ̀jù àrí. Okay, inú mi dùn jọ yẹn. Lọ pé at last your father support you. May the Almighty God support Alhaji to eternity. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Alhaji Pasuma Wonder, you know. It's a good father. Like play. When she called me, say Pencil G, oh yeah, Ekabere. So we now call the legend, Mr. Edge. The legend. This is the godfather, Rocky's Entertainment. Can we put a round of applause for the Lord, ladies and gentlemen? In my life, I never met this kind of particular man. When we collected money for a show, Pensuji, keep your money. For the fact that may God bless you. This is not comedy. Ọlọ́run mi ṣe comedy o. Mi wojú kankan. Mi kèmí dáa mo ti control tears mo ti control tears mo ti package. A lọ show kan. I'm telling you, I collected 60,000. Pensuji, má mọ owó yẹn má yọ kó lọ sílé o. Lọ́tọ̀ family ẹ̀ owó tó wà ń bí màá ná. Can we please a round of applause to listen to Chelsea? Everybody's not perfect in one way or the other. There was one particular day, was, God, what happened, Pensuji? Ogun call me. And I said, Ogun call. Because Ogun call me, edge. Immediately, he took that edge, my brother. No more cough. So that was the reason I called him Mr. Edge. So I just wanted to say something about Rocky Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Edge.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. I acknowledge everyone present here today. Thanks to my very good friend, Yinkes. Thanks to Jigon Baboja. Thanks to Didi. Thanks to all the media houses here. And the 5 unveiling, I call them World Best 5. And World Best 5 from Rockies Entertainment. Thank you, everyone. This journey, yeah, it's more. Most people don't understand. You understand? This entertainment business is something that is very resourceful. But the only thing it needs is just full dedication. Entertainment doesn't like sharing any other thing with any other thing. It's either you should just concentrate on one thing or you choose the other party. Because the music money now go. I remember 2015 when Didi, Ama, Alafia, the law wanted to 1 million. Although Alafia, Didi go, but don't share site alone by any. I don't go music. Fatima. Hello, Fatima, I can concentrate by. You understand? We just have to choose the right path. Let's choose the right path. Let's love ourselves. You understand? Let love be what you are capable of doing. You understand? What you have strength for. Any business you have passion and strength for, just do it. And I said, okay, first, you have been a promoter from your school. You love bringing artists to your school. Then she was in university in Lorraine then. Alikma, yeah. Then, I just told her, just do the right thing. And today, I registered a company. I told her most of the things she do. But I don't mean, I'm a shy person. I don't like she show face or anything. She understands. So, really, thank God that Rocky Entertainment has come here to stay. And has come here today. Let's just support her. She just needs the support. She needs our support. Let's just support Rocky's Entertainment, support ourselves, and let's have a very good day. Thank you.
First unveiling on stage. Yeah, feel it. Oh yeah, I said that. Get to G. I beg, finance a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, peer celebrity. Yiba, as I go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call Jacuzzi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Solas. Okay, Solis. Solis Akika. Fine. Rugged Gangster. Solis. Can we please a round of applause? I beg, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Round of applause, you know what I mean? Yeah, bless you guys.
What do you do? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Shut up, true. Only fake be loving when you are. Come on.
I say I mean.
We see you here for the big fight. I got Jeff with the stand. I got Celebrity Healing stand. I got Take Up Please stand. I got Herboy stand. Solas just stand.
The Lord, you want to why you mean? He said, you know, say all my life, the other will make it all one time. And I want to, you never born at me. You never born. Hey! No, I don't love you. Oh, I love you now. I'm happy to 5K transfer. Oh, yeah. See you. I know 1 year say, I want to have a balance. Transfer, where they are. Oh, my God, Tucci. Don't go there, but for women like you. Oh, my God, Tucci. Brother, oh, the day Ọ̀tẹ́gà ni ẹ̀rọ ń wò yẹn fẹ́ rà. Ọ̀tẹ́gà fẹ́ rà. Àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ fẹ́ rà. Oh, yeah, now, yeah. Let's go DJ underground music. What you doing? Patai. DJ Alafia. Alafia. Fix them. No time, brother, no time. Feel it. Big Pelly in the building, Master Pay. The only dancer we get bless you. Master Pay in the building. Who is she here?
You say your man can't control your body, so they can't rock your body. Rock your body, rock your body, rock your body.
Please, we are still on launching of the chronic drink seller.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't get it twisted. As you got DJ Cole, I think what the fuck. We about to make it some overload right now. Hey, say, overload. Hey, she overload. Your body overload. Your titty overload. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, these are all entertainment. I'm praying for the big five today. DJ Boy. Man, all are you ladies and gentlemen, the Rockies Entertainment Trophy Secret on. You can get yours right there. It's just 5,000 there. We just need to plug our tenders and get yours. Oh, yeah, now, see. Okay.
Without the poor, olówó oníwà. Bí ó bá sí kú onígbó sí oníta. Àjò láyé bọ̀tí fún ní ìbá wa. See the sweet your body, give another man ìyá wa. Kò dẹ̀ káyé, it doesn't really matter. As bad as it bad, we go surely make it prayer.
Face TV. Muswobi.